Hello everyone. So today we're going to learn about polygon fill areas. The polygon fill areas, a fundamental aspect of design and visualization, play a crucial role in shaping the visual appeal and conveying information effectively. Understanding the various types, techniques, and best practices associated with polygon fill areas is essential for creating captivating and impactful design across diverse applications, ranging from web design and graphic design to data visualization and 3D modeling. The importance of polygon fill areas are essential for adding depth, texture, and visual interest to designs. They help to define shapes, create gradients, and highlight specific areas. In visualization, polygon fill areas are used to represent data, map regions, and create 3D models by strategically using colors, patterns, and textures. Texture designers can communicate information effectively and engage audiences. Visual appeal. Polygon fill areas enhance the visual appeal of designs by adding color, texture, and dimension. They can perform flat shapes into dynamic and captivating elements. Information communication. In data visualization and infographics, polygon fill areas are used to represent data, categorize information, and highlight trends. They provide a clear and intuitive way to present complex data. User experience. Polygon fill areas can improve user experience by guiding the creating by guiding the eye, creating visual hierarchy, and highlighting important information. They can also enhance the usability of interfaces by making them more intuitive and engaging. Types of polygon fill areas. So these are the various form of polygon fill areas, comes in each with its unique characteristics and applications. Understanding these types allows designers to choose the most appropriate option for their specific needs. Solid fill uses a single color to fill the polygon area, providing a uniform and consistent appearance. Gradient fill uses a smooth transition between two or more colors, creating a sense of depth and dimension. Pattern fill uses repeating country patterns such as stripes, dots, or textures to create visual interest and texture. Image fill uses an image to fill the polygon area, allowing for more complex and realistic designs. Techniques for creating polygon fill areas. Vector graphics are based on mathematical equations that define shapes and lines. They are scalable without loss of quality, making them ideal for creating logos, illustration, and other designs that need to be resized frequently. Raster graphics are based on pixels, which are tiny squares of color. They are best suited for creating photorealistic images and design that require high resolution and details. So these are the two techniques for creating polygon fill areas. They have their advantages and disadvantages as well. So factors to consider when choosing a polygon fill area. Choosing the right polygon fill area depends on several factors, including the intended purpose of the design, the target audience, and the desired aesthetic. These factors influence the choice of color, transparency, and texture. Color. Choice of color depends on the desired mood, message, and target audience. Colors can evoke emotions, create contrast, and highlight specific areas. Transparency. Transparency allows for layering, creating visual depth. It can be used to create subtle effects or highlight specific elements. Texture. Texture adds visual interest and realism to designs. It can be used to create sense of depth, create visual patterns, and enhance the overall aesthetic appeal. These are the best practices for using polygon fill areas. To maximize the impact and effectiveness of polygon fill areas, consider these best practices. Applying these principles ensures visually appealing and functional designs that communicate effectively. Color harmony. Use a color palette that complements the overall design and creates a harmonious visual experiences. Consider color theory principles to create balanced and visually appealing combinations. Contrast. Use contrasting colors to highlight important elements create a visual hierarchy, and guide the viewer's eye, and ensure sufficient contrast for readability and accessibility. Texture pattern use textures and patterns strategically to create visual interest and depth. Avoiding avoid overusing patterns as it can overwhelm the design and distract the viewer. Simplicity. Strive for simplicity in design using polygon fill areas to enhance, not overpower. Avoid excessive use of textures and gradients that can make the design cluttered and is difficult to understand. Purposeful use. Use polygon fill areas with a specific purpose in mind. Consider how they contribute to the overall design, communicate information, and enhance the user experience. Common challenges as solutions and polygon fill areas implementation. Implementing polygon fill areas effectively can present certain challenges. Understanding these challenges and the solution is key to overcoming potential hurdles and achieving desired design outcomes. Performance issues. Complex polygon fill areas, especially those with intricate gradients and patterns, can impact performance, particularly on web pages and mobile devices. Optimize images for web and consider using simple fill areas for better performance. Accessibility consideration. Ensure that color choices and contrast ratios are sufficient for users with visual impairment. Use color contrast checkers and follow accessibility guidelines to create inclusive designs. File size management. Large image files can slow down web page loading times. Optimize images for file size without compromising quality by using image comprehension tools and appropriate formats. Polygon fill area tools and software. A wide range of tools and software are available to assist designers in creating manipulating polygon fill areas. Understanding these tools allows designers to choose the best option for specific needs and workflow. Adobe Illustrator in Affinity Designer Sketch, a powerful vector graphics editor that offers extensive features for creating and editing polygon fill areas, gradients, and patterns. Affinity Designer, a versatile vector graphics software known for its user-friendly interface and powerful tools for creating and manipulating polygon fill areas. Sketch, a popular design tool primarily used for UI UX design, but it also offers for creating polygon fill areas and gradients. Conclusion and the key takeaways. Polygon fill areas are a fundamental aspect of design and visualization. By understanding the various types, techniques, best practices, and trends, designers can effectively leverage polygon fill areas to create visually appealing, informative, and impactful design across diverse applications, from enhancing visual appeal and communicating information, creating engaging user experiences. Polygon fill areas remain a cornerstone of modern design. So that is it for this polygon fill areas we have discussed. Uh, Thank you.